welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to Redefine TV. If this is your first time here, my name is Marie. I do this whole motherhood and lifestyle influencer ordeal, and today I'm doing something really interesting. I'm doing home decor information because since moving into our home, we are finally and officially starting to decorate after like a year. Don't judge me. But yeah, I get a lot of questions on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram at RIE_defined, you would have seen that I've shown my bar stools several times. Bar stools, counter stools, because there is a difference. I've learned that recently as well. But I've shown the stools at our counter stools, a few times, and I always get questions, even back when the girls and I had a video going viral on Instagram, an Instagram reel. We were doing something right here, but a lot of people were asking about the bar stools. So I just figured, my kids are in the background. And they're coming down. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I keep getting a lot of questions about the bar stools, so I wanted to tell you guys a little more about them. I got them from Overstock. Sorry, I got them from Wayfair, but you can also get them from Overstock. They're the same exact stools, it seems like, and you can get either counter stools or bar stools, and the difference is just the height. So a little backstory about these stools is that I actually ordered the wrong stools initially. Not the wrong stools, I knew I was ordering the stools that wouldn't tuck under, but I was so desperate to get the stools because every time I would look, it would be there, then it would be sold out, then it would be there, then it would be sold out, and I was like, I might as well just get what I can get. So I learned the difference between bar stools and counter stools. Counter stools are what I needed because this is a counter, not a bar, so it's a bit shorter. But bar stools is what I ordered. The first time I received these stools, they didn't tuck under the countertop. You can just imagine them kind of like sticking out. Then I went to Virginia to visit my sister-in-law, and I saw that she had the same stools and they tucked under, and I was like, no. I was like, no, I cannot keep these stools that are not the appropriate height. So I came back, returned all 4 stools. Shout out to Wayfair because they made it really smooth exchange process of returning the bar stools and purchasing the counter stools, which there is a difference in the price. Anyway, I say all that to say these stools are near and dear to my heart. I really love them. They're so beautiful. I love how sleek and modern they look. They shine, they stand out, and it seems like a lot of people like them. And they're easy to clean, that's the other thing. And when you sit in them, they're so comfortable. So the kids are really comfortable as they sit in them. They have like, you know, room on the sides and the back. But also when they make messes while they're eating, it's really easy to just rub off because it's like a velvet material. So I just use a cloth and put some water and rub it off. I don't put any chemicals because I don't need to. But we have new chairs and I'm really excited about opening them up. So yeah, let's do that.
It's comfortable.
Yeah, try it. Ooh, that was nice. Instagram reels will not kill me, girl. are from Wayfair as well. I'll put information about them in the description box, but aren't they so nice? They swivel. They have the gold detail that I love. I'm loving browns and burnt orange, fall-y colors. I'm really loving browns and everything like that. So this just fits in so perfectly. It's deep, so you can get really comfortable, and it has enough back support for everything but your head, and I guess your shoulders too. But yeah, I just wanted to share in case anyone else was interested. And really I just want to map out our home decor process and everything that we're doing decoration-wise in the house. So I obviously don't know anything else about the chairs right now because I haven't experienced them, but I'll do an update later on to let you guys know how the chairs are holding up, how it is keeping them clean and dealing with the kids and the chairs. Stay tuned for more videos on home decor and how we're decorating the home. We're gonna have some custom designs built, so that should be fun. And we're getting some really cool not paintings, but portraits, I guess. Let me know how you like these chairs and the stools. And yeah, I will be back with another video on home decor or anything else soon. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and comment, like I said, and let me know how you like it. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and I'll see you guys next time.